Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid took center stage on Friday night as he hosted his first live show in 5 years, held at the Police Officers Club in Kingston. Patrons at the event were treated to a full set featuring a number of tracks from his debut album Contraband, which was released earlier this year.
Oh Lord, I read the fire, me a dash up on the top. Kabaka Pyramid, me say me never turning back. A police officers club look how we there, and it pop. I said the dance all in rock, when I was stopping us high. Waiting, patient, so long, now my time to shine. Whoa, I've been working hard for all the hard-working people. Hey, they're on the grind like a coffee bean. Me to the hustle is like opium to coffee seed.
The event also featured music mates Calissa and Jesse Royal, who also delivered exceptional sets.
For you I fight this war. Black, 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 black. Black, 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 black. Oh, things and times will change. Still crucial you remain. Black, 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 black.
Despite not receiving a Grammy nomination, Kabaka Pyramid is pleased with his outcome of the debut album that was released back in May.
That was one of the goals for the show, to present the album and present the song them, because I think 5 singles with the drop from the album. I'm going to probably do like 9 songs tonight, so you know, it's a couple songs where maybe the average person might never hear, but we just introduce it, and you know, we still see people are real up for song where we never even promote, so we know so the album will circulate, and that's a great feeling.
The artist is looking forward to the new year with plans to continue promoting Contraband in Europe, with some shows already confirmed for some of the big international reggae festivals in North America and Europe. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year when it comes.